Hello!
Welcome to the
vlog.
And here we are again.
Here we are again.
We want to share the first flight that we did since the pandemic started.
And the first vlog flying since 2019. The last one was, I think, going to Japan.
Yeah, but this is our first vlog that we
During pandemic.
ride the plane.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
We never.
So we usually go LAX, but now since we moved,
We're closer to
we're
the
closer.
Santa Barbara Airport.
Santa Barbara Airport.
And we went to
Florida
Florida
Yeah.
for a
wedding and
a very special occasion, and we just want to share about our trip. So first time to travel, usually we just go to the Philippines a lot, or Japan or Texas, Batanes. So first time to do Florida, first time to do American Airlines, and so we would just want to share that it's important to have your smartphone to get alerts kasi the gates changes. So it's good to know. Meron pa nga, we were in the gate na, and then buti na lang, it's like, it's a different gate. Plus,
always turn on your data
Yeah.
so you don't miss any notifications. So it's a good idea, or else you could have been waiting there for 30 minutes and
or
they
could have
changed.
missed your flight. That's the hardest part. So we purchased our tickets online, and we have to know the information with bang hand carry rules and check-in bags, and it costs $30 for each way. For a check-in bag, would say 50 pounds.
Yeah, 50
Let's say
pounds.
50 pounds limit. Also, what else? It's good to know the weather na
Yeah.
pupuntahan mo, kasi it's way different sa weather where we were from. So we hope that you enjoy this vlog. We just want to share.
Just want to share.
Enjoy flying with us,
Thank you.
Florida.
Good morning. It's 4:04.
4 a.m.
We're here in the Santa Barbara Airport. Kayla, we're just waiting for our flight. 5:30.
We just shared just a part of our first Airbnb where we stayed with Audrey's family,
Audrey's
a family
Yeah.
of 7, and also we'll share the other Airbnb in our
Next video.
next video. Thank you for our generous cousin who paid for it.
You made it.
Good accommodation, and their super host who prepared everything for us. It was really a comfy and good stay in Florida.
Big day tomorrow. Say hi.
Hi. We're making pupusas.
Pupusas? Are they good?
Siento por kita bagla.
Alright. Here's the florist, the wedding coordinator, the mother of all mothers, doing of all the bridesmaids and the flowers. Ready for tomorrow. Everybody's been working really hard.
Centerpieces are done yesterday.
Okay, so the reason why we flew to Florida is because there was a wedding of Catherine's cousin. And it was fun being with because they used to live in California. They start moving different places. So it was just a time that we have to go see, a family that we really want to be with them. Even though they're far away, when family, it doesn't matter, cost or anything. So.
And it's so worth the fly at the time, the energy and the strength. And I want to thank God for allowing us to go kasi every summer it's hard to request sa work to be off, but I was able to put my work hours together or shifts together so I could be off for a week. And we thank God for a very well supplied trip, that we were favored in many ways. We were kept safe, and so plus with the wedding. So we'll share a few parts of the wedding, and also we tried to keep the confidentiality, groom and bride, but we're sharing most of the setup and things that we did. It was a really beautiful 1 week in Florida, a beautiful wedding, and we hope that you will like this vlog. And after the wedding, we went libot, so
we'll
watch
show you
out for it on the next video. Please like and
subscribe.
Bye.